Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you step by step how to activate my ESIM on your mobile iPhone. So basically guys, this is easy method you can do. Just go to solar here setting. After go to setting, click add SIM, as you can see here. After that guys, make sure information detail and enter the information detail manually and simply enter your Maya mobile here setting, and this is how you can do guys. This is simple method basically. So guys, all you have to do is easy, and I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then you can subscribe and like and share this video for more content guys, and see you another video soon. Keep watching. Any question guys down below in comment here.